Are you looking for a heavy-duty blender? One that can handle almost anything, won't break down easily, and also looks sleek and premium in your kitchen? Then stay until the end, because today I'm going to show you one of the best mid to high range blenders released in 2025. This is Nutri-Intelligence. Let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing the unboxing and step-by-step test of this KitchenAid Pure Power blender, which was just released in June 2025. I purchased it directly from KitchenAid's official store, so it's 100% original. Now let's open it. We remove the plastic wrap, and the box arrived in excellent condition, with no damage at all. For those who aren't familiar with the brand, KitchenAid is an American company with over 100 years of history, globally recognized for its professional grade mixers. And look at this, it comes with a second inner box, so let's carefully take it out. I found it with free shipping from the official store. Delivery took about 2 days. One of the main differences between this blender and standard models is its power. It delivers up to 1700 watts of peak power, while most traditional blenders usually range between 300 and 800 watts. I chose the grey color, but it's also available in red, porcelain white, and black. The design is very elegant, and it comes with a 3-year warranty, which is a big plus. We open the second box, and the first thing we find is this booklet that says, "Get ready to blend like never before." Now let's begin. Here we have the user manual, available in multiple languages, explaining proper use, cleaning, and care to ensure long-lasting performance. We remove the protective cardboard, and it's great to see they didn't use styrofoam. Here is the 2-liter jar, about 2.1 quarts or 8.5 cups, made of tritan, a BPA-free, non-toxic, food-safe material. This is important because it does not release harmful chemicals. It's also not made of glass, which can break easily. This jar is ice-resistant, heat-resistant, and the quality is noticeable in every detail. It clearly states that you can blend hot ingredients directly from the pot into the jar. Next, we take out the accessories, and here we have the lid. It looks amazing. It includes a vented cap with heat release technology, allowing steam to escape without creating internal pressure. Before, you had to wait for hot preparations to cool down to avoid accidents. With this blender, that's no longer necessary. We remove the protective bag, and even the packaging feels high quality. The design is sophisticated and solid, and you can really tell this is a well-built product. Now let's talk about the buttons and functions. This blender features power on and off buttons, 3 automatic programs including smoothie for fresh or frozen fruit, ice crush, and clean. It also offers 10 manual speed settings for precise control, plus a pulse function. On the back, we see the power cord, measuring approximately 32 to 39 inches, and it feels very sturdy and well made. Let's assemble it. We place the jar, and that's it. There's no need to twist it. It locks firmly into place thanks to its internal safety mechanism. The lid also features a safety lock, which I think is excellent. If the lid isn't properly secured, the blender won't operate, helping prevent spills and accidents. That's a great safety feature. Now let's take it to the kitchen. Before using it, we'll wash it first. We add water to the jar, a few drops of dish soap, close the lid, and select the clean button. The blender cleans itself and shuts off automatically. This is an excellent feature because it avoids direct contact with the blades, especially after thick preparations like mayonnaise. We rinse it, and now let's move on to the blending tests. First, a melon juice. We cut the melon into medium-sized pieces, add 1 cup of water, and blend using different speeds. Wow, the result is fast, smooth, and completely lump-free, and it's also surprisingly quiet. Next, a mango juice with ice. Here I have 2 mangoes. We peel them, add the mango pulp, 5 to 7 ice cubes depending on preference, and 1 cup of water. Thankfully, the 2-liter capacity provides plenty of space. We turn on the blender and select ice crush. Once it finishes, it stops automatically. The texture is thick and creamy, and there's no need for added sugar. The natural sweetness of the mango is more than enough. A perfect drink to start the day. So friends, this has been my experience with the KitchenAid Pure Power blender, and it has been very positive. This blender was released in June 2025 and falls into the premium mid to high range home blender category. It's ideal for juices, crushing ice, frozen fruits, nut butters, creams, and hot soups, making it very versatile. It offers 1200 to 1700 watts of power, 3 automatic modes, 10 speeds, a pulse function, and a safety lid with a heat release vent. Definitely a great purchase. We'll We'll be sharing more recipes using this blender very soon. I loved it, and I hope this audio was helpful. If you enjoyed it, support us with a like and subscribe to the channel so we can keep growing. This is Nutri Intelligence. See you next time.